Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to create an AdFly account and start earning money in 2023. AdFly is a URL shortening service that allows you to earn money by sharing links online. It's a great way to make money if you have a website or a large social media following. So, let's get started. Step 1. Create an account. The first step is to create an account on AdFly. To do this, go to adfly.com and click on the Join Now button in the top right corner of the page. Fill out the required information, including your email address, username, and password. You'll also need to verify your email address before you can start using your AdFly account. Step 2. Shorten your links. Once your account is set up, you can start shortening your links. To do this, simply paste your long URL into the Shorten URLs and Earn Money box on the AdFly homepage. Click on the Shrink button, and AdFly will generate a shorter, AdFly branded link for you to use. Step 3. Share your links. Now that you have a shortened link, it's time to start sharing it. You can post your links on your website, blog, or social media accounts. The more people that click on your link, the more money you can earn. AdFly pays you a certain amount for every 1,000 clicks on your link, and the rates vary depending on the location of the people clicking on your link. Step 4. Track your earnings. AdFly provides you with a detailed dashboard where you can track your earnings. This dashboard shows you how many clicks your links have received, how much money you've earned, and other useful statistics. You can also see the countries where your clicks are coming from, which can help you target your marketing efforts more effectively. Step 5. Withdraw your earnings. When you're ready to withdraw your earnings, AdFly offers several payment options, including PayPal, Payoneer, and Payza. You'll need to have at least $5 in your account to withdraw your earnings, and AdFly pays out on a monthly basis. And that's it. Creating an AdFly account and earning money in 2023 is a simple process. Remember to share your links on high-traffic websites and social media accounts to maximize your earnings. And, as always, make sure to follow AdFly's terms and conditions to avoid any issues with your account. Thank you for watching, and happy earning.